Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will modify our example template. So we will add some categories inside the header navigation, we will change the title of the blog, and we will also add some new modules inside the sidebar. So let's open index.php in Notepad++. So open Notepad++, let's open a new file, and that file is inside blog CMS, our project, and index.php. And now first of all we want to modify the header navigation. So let's change these links. PHP Perl for now we are hard coding these values, but these values will actually come from the database. So now let's move on to the blog title. So here you can see this inside the blog header. We will change the title blog CMS and save it, and let's go back to the browser and refresh. Now you can see the title has changed to blog CMS, and we can also see the categories. So now we will add two more modules inside the sidebar. So let's go back to index.php and scroll down to the sidebar section. So scroll down until you see sidebar. Here you can see the blog main is ending here, and from here the sidebar is starting, and you can see all of the sidebar modules are enclosed within a div which has the class of sidebar module. So let's copy this whole module, and we will paste this whole module above the about section. So paste it here, paste it, and we want to remove this ordered list, and we will change the title to search. And now let's get the code for the form. So we will get the code for the form from the getbootstrap.com. So let's go to getbootstrap.com and click this CSS link here, and from the right side select forms and scroll down until you see inline forms, and copy this whole form, and let's paste it inside our sidebar module, and let's indent it. And now let's make some changes to the form. Let's add the method of the form, and the method will be get in this case, and action will be results.php. So now let's remove some things from here. So we will remove this button and this email div. So we will also remove this label from the input tag. So now let's add a name attribute to this input field. Name will be search, search, and placeholder will also be search. Save it, and now if we go ahead to the browser and refresh it, now you can see a nice search form here. So now let's add another form, and that form will be actually the subscription form, so that the users can subscribe to the blog. So copy it, and below the about section we will create a new sidebar module, and the title of this module will be subscribe, and let's get the code of the subscription form. So let's go back to getbootstrap.com, and let's copy the code of this form from here. Let's copy the whole form, and paste it inside this sidebar module and indent it. Let's add the method and method attribute to this form. Method will be post this time, so we will remove some of the form fields. We don't want this checkbox and we also don't want the file input, so remove these, and we will change this text of the button to subscribe, and the class of the button will be button primary, and now let's remove this one and copy this, add it above, and now this will be text and the placeholder will be name, and the name of this input will also be name, and we will remove the label from both of these input fields, and let's add the name to this input field, and name will be email. So now let's save this and refresh this page. Now you can see a nice subscription form here. So that's it for this video, and in the next video we will be splitting this whole template into 3 pieces. The first one will be header, second one will be sidebar, and the last one will be footer. So